Recently, I made a video about watching YouTube videos to make money online, and I tried this method, and a lot of you have asked me to create more videos like this. So in this video, I'm going to show you a method that I'm going to try, and this is based on a video that claims you can get paid $2.5 every minute watching Google ads. This video claims that by watching ads which are like 35 seconds, you can make something around 50 cents or 62 cents depending on the different types of advertisements. And also it claims that you can get paid easily to your PayPal account or you can receive it as a Google Play. So I'm going to test this method to see if it really works for me. So if you appreciate me doing these kind of videos, please go ahead and like this video, and let's go to the first step. The website we are going to try in this video is called Cashwave. So as you can see, it's a website that looks really good, and it says that today everyone can work online and also get paid to invite friends watching ads from brands, and your attention is valuable. And as you can see, the PayPal, Google Play, Visa. So let's go to this section, live payments, and see what are the payments that are being paid right now. So it says that the members payout is like $100 here, 20 of January 2022. I think it's not very live. Actually, it's for about 2 years ago, and this is not really up to date, and just a few is written here like $70, $200. So it doesn't look very legit, payments right now. It could be something done by Photoshop and I'm not really sure. You have to just try to see if it's real money or not. So now I go and start signing up for this platform. So I click the sign up button here, and here in this page, I put my information like full name, email address, passport, and date of birth, and then I create my account. Okay, now I'm in my dashboard area, and as you can see here, I have $10 bonus as a welcome bonus given to me in my account. So that's really, generous, I think, just to have $10. And here we can see there are different ads available here that pay different amounts of money. For example, that this first one we can see here, 35 seconds, you get paid 57 cents. And for this one, 35 seconds, 62 cents. That looks really good, I think. Alright, I click the withdraw and I go to this section, but there is so many ads coming up when you click them, so you have to click several times. And here we can see different ways that they give the money to us. The minimum payment is $70, and they pay you to your PayPal account. And also you can get paid like if you have $100 in your account and as well. And so the minimum is $70. So if you have to make $70 in this website in order to be able to withdraw the money. And it doesn't need to be PayPal, it could be through a Skrill, Payer, and Western Union as well for people who don't have access to PayPal. Now I'm in the dashboard area and I want to try these ads and get the money that it claims to give us. So as I click, I can see that the ad just opens in a new tab. So I close the tab and I click the complete again so that the ad could be considered for me as watched. And when you do it right, it gives us a sign, please don't close this page recording your visit. So when it comes like this, it says that checking the ads available to you, and it's now redirecting us to the ad. I think we are going to watch an ad maybe for a few seconds, and it's going to be considered, I think, after that. Yes, it's done. Now 57 cents is added to our balance here, so we have $10.50. So it's going to work. It's actually working as it is clear. So we go to the second one, we click the second ad here, 35 seconds, 62 cents. We do the same process, we click it. As soon as the ad is opened, we close it and we click the complete. All right, now we are sent to another page, and there is a kind of ad being played here. Please wait 27 seconds. So we should wait here for the seconds, and it's showing us an ad here. So I think after that it would be considered. All right, now I click the skip button here. Yes, it's considered. Now 60 cents has been added to our balance. We have 11.19 cents. So I will do the other ads here and just see how much money it gives me altogether, and I'll show you at the end. All right, I'm doing the last one here, and I think right now I have 11.95 cents. Now I have 12 $49 in my account, but it says that ads are completed and we offer you new ads everywhere. So it says that come back after 22 hours. So we need to come back like 22 hours. It means that every 23 hours, they gave us just like 5 of these ads. So from $10 to $12.50, we have made $2.5, by doing all these ads here. And it says that after 22 hours, you come back for another $2.5. If you go back to the withdraw section, so we can see that in the withdraw section, we have $70 minimum. So we have to make our balance to $70 in order to be able to withdraw to our PayPal account. So if we get $2.5 every 24 hours for doing this task, so how many days do you think it will take us to do this to get the minimum $70? I've done the calculation, I've done the math. If we multiply $2.5 by 28 days, we can see that we have $70 after 28 days. So it's going to take a long time for us just to see if we can make this money or not. If it really works, it's going to take you 28 days to reach $70. But there is another assumption that we can have several accounts with this website and do this with 5 different accounts with CashMe in order to increase our earnings. So imagine if you have 5 accounts and do this $2.5 every day. So with 5 CashMe accounts, we are making around $12.5 every day, okay? And after 28 days, we are making $350. So this is great, something that doesn't take you time and you can do it just a few minutes every day, And also some say that you can have 10 different accounts with 10 different email addresses. But we don't know exactly if we reach that threshold and if we reach the $70, it's going to pay us or not. So if this video gets 500 likes, I'm going to test this method for 28 days and show you the results after that, so you can see if this website is paying the money or not. If you're interested in this kind of videos, which I try different methods to make money online, you can also check this video that I made recently about making money watching YouTube videos. So if you really enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.